Hello everyone. This section contains one more simple yet a kind of must-know concept of Node.js, and that is REPL, that is read, eval, print and loop. There are many places where you have a command line interface, for example in Windows operating system, or shell interface like Unix or Linux. Node also has a similar interface where you can try various node commands or expressions and execute. REPL is nothing but functionality which facilitates programmers to execute codes or evaluate the codes at the command prompt or even in the code window. There are two ways in Node for the same. That is, you can go in the REPL mode or you can initiate the REPL session in two ways. One, that you include the REPL library in your Node program, so it's a kind of includable library, or you can simply type node at the prompt which enters in REPL mode or REPL session is initiated. Let's practically see by typing node at the prompt. So now we are at the terminal. The moment I say node and I press enter, this means that I am in the REPL mode. As you can see here, it says that type .help for more information. It means if I say .help, so it's a kind of command for REPL, and that gives me list of various other commands. Let's try to execute few Node.js expressions. If I just want to say 2 plus 2, that is going to give you the result, right? In case if I want to, let's say, type console.log and I'll say hi. So that's also displayed. At the end it returns undefined. That is as such irrelevant for this context, but let me still explain. Every function in JavaScript, if it is not having a return statement, that means any function in JavaScript which doesn't return anything, then by default the returned value is undefined. That's why it is showing you undefined here. But here the point is console log is executed and we see that output is high. This is okay. But what if you want to type, let's say, bunch of lines, that is a script which you want to execute? That is also possible. Let's say that I want to create a function. So when you have to type multiple lines, you have to go into the editor mode. So you can say .editor. The moment you type this command, that means now you are in editor mode. Here you press Ctrl D to finish and Ctrl C to cancel. But I do not want to finish anything. I will say const sum. At the moment I do not want parameters or anything. Of course I can have it, but I'll just say sum called, and this ends the function also. Now I want to call the function here. So the entire script is ready. Like this you can have many lines which you can try or test at the node prompt. Now if you have finished this, then you press Ctrl D. So I press Ctrl D here, and now this script is executed. In case if you want to save a script, you can say .save, or if you have, let's say, already a file which you want to load here, then you have a command called .load. Let's say I already have a file called glb.js, so I'll say glb.js. So that has the process related coding which we tried in the previous section. So you see the output here. So first of all the script is loaded and then it is executed. So that is how an REPL session can help you evaluate or run the scripts like traditional shell scripts.